Oh, baby, thank you for escorting me to the gate, Sha. That's really sweet stuffs, you know.
Oh, it's nothing, sweetheart. You know I'll do anything for you.
Yeah, anyways, Valentine's is around the next corner. Don't forget to bring me something like you promised me, Sha.
Yeah, I won't. I promise.
Thank you, baby. You know, I'm so happy, Sha. Your love for me has finished my vaseline.
Huh?
Baby, didn't you hear what I just said?
Oh, I heard what you said, sweetheart. You said, you want me to bring you Vaseline?
I said, Rudo wako wandipedza mafuta. Your love has finished my vaseline.
Oh, sorry, baby. Your English is,
English is what? You don't appreciate my lovings. Why you always treat me like that? Actually, you know what? This communications is over. I'm tired of your negotiations, Sha. Don't text me to my cell phone until you bring me my present, Muswe Valley. Good night.
Oh, come on, baby. Don't be like that.
I said good night. Rest in peace.